Why do some of my PPC campaigns get 0 impressions even though I set everything up? There are a few reasons that I would like you to rule out. What we notice whenever we got a listing suspension, ads are not going to run. Listing suspensions can happen for many reasons. In this scenario that I'm right now talking about, that we just discovered that there were no impression, no spends at all, and we're like, what is going on? Because we were bidding high enough. We lost the buy box. If you're losing the buy box, you're not going to get impressions. So first, I would rule out all the non-PPC factors. And once that I ruled out those factors, I would look into PPC factors. When it comes down to Amazon PPC factors, you would look into my CPC. So am I bidding high enough for the conversion to happen? If I'm not bidding high enough, if I get 0 impression, it means that I should be increasing my bid. Something that can happen is that you are not indexing at all for that particular keyword and nothing is showing up. In that case, we would just open a case with Amazon and ask them, okay, this is something that we noticed on our end. Could you look into on the back end if there's some issues that we're not seeing right now? So those would be the first 3 things that I would look into.